Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking that your device runs Android 7, 0 or later because split screen requires it. Once done, open the two apps you want to use so they appear in the Recent Apps overview. One app must already be active. Make sure to close any heavy background apps to free RAM. This improves performance and prevents crashes. Now, access the Recent Apps button or gesture. This is the first actionable step to convert those open apps into a split screen pair. Next, open the Recent Apps view. Tap the Recent button or swipe up depending on your navigation. Then, either tap the app icon in that view and choose Split Screen or long press and drag the app to the top or left of the screen. This pins the first app. After that, pick the second app from the Recent list or the app drawer to fill the remaining space. This sequence creates two active windows. You can resize them using the divider for balance and visibility. Finally, adjust the split by dragging the middle divider. Move it to allocate more space to the app you need most, because some apps enforce fixed sizes and won't scale smoothly. To exit split screen, drag the divider fully to one edge or press the Overview/Recent button and close one of the apps. If the feature fails to start, force stop both apps or reboot the device to clear temporary faults. This usually restores normal split screen behavior and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.